This is the moringa tree, and it is truly amazing. That's why it's called the miracle tree. It has many health benefits. Let me tell you about them. Moringa is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree native to India. It is known as the miracle tree because of its incredible health benefits. Every part of this tree is used for something. It's one of the most nutrient-rich plants on the planet. Its leaves, flowers, bark, seeds and roots have a variety of uses. The leaves are rich in vitamins A, B and C. They also contain iron, calcium, potassium and amino acids. The leaves can be eaten raw or cooked. They have a slightly bitter taste and are often compared to spinach or broccoli. Raw moringa leaves have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. This makes them an excellent choice for people with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. The leaves are also a good source of antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. So by eating moringa leaves, you get these powerful antioxidants that help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in your body. Moringa leaves also have anti-cancer properties. Several studies have shown that they can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. One study found that moringa extract was able to kill 78% of human breast cancer cells. Another study showed that moringa leaf powder slowed the growth of prostate cancer cells by 66%. In addition to their anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, moringa leaves also have a number of other health benefits. They can improve blood sugar control, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moringa leaves are also rich in chlorophyll, which is a pigment that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll is thought to have detoxifying properties, so it can help to remove toxins from the body. This is why moringa leaves are often used in juices and smoothies. Chlorophyll is also thought to help improve digestion and prevent constipation. There is some evidence that moringa leaf extract may help improve brain function. One study found that it was able to improve memory and learning in mice. Another study showed that it could increase the activity of certain enzymes in the brain that are involved in memory and cognition. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Moringa leaves are easy to grow and can be added to salads or smoothies. They are available fresh, frozen or dried. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should avoid eating moringa leaves. The flowers of the moringa tree are also used in traditional medicine. They are said to have anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive, and antimicrobial properties. In one study, researchers found that moringa flower extracts were able to lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Another study showed that it could reduce blood pressure in hypertensive rats. There is also evidence that the flowers have antimicrobial properties. This means that they can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. One study found that moringa flower extract was effective against several types of bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Moringa flowers are not commonly used as a food, but they can be added to salads or used as a garnish. They have a mild flavor that resembles that of the leaves. However, more research is needed to confirm these traditional uses. In addition to the leaves and flowers, the bark of the moringa tree is also used in traditional medicine. The bark is said to have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. One study found that moringa bark extract was able to reduce inflammation in rats. Another study showed that it could inhibit the growth of cancer cells in mice. There is also evidence that the bark can lower blood sugar levels. This is why the bark is often used to treat diabetes. Moringa bark is not commonly consumed as a food, but it can be made into a tea. It has a bitter taste similar to that of coffee. More research is needed to confirm these traditional uses. The roots of the moringa tree are also used in traditional medicine. The roots are said to have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. One study found that moringa root extract was able to reduce inflammation in rats. Another study showed that it could inhibit the growth of cancer cells in mice. There is also evidence that the roots can lower blood sugar levels. This is why the roots are often used to treat diabetes. In addition to their medicinal uses, the roots of the moringa tree are also used as a vegetable. They have a bitter flavor that resembles that of radishes. More research is needed to confirm these traditional uses. The seeds of the moringa tree are used to make a popular superfood called moringa powder. The seeds are first roasted and then ground into a powder. Moringa powder is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is also a good source of healthy fats. The powder is often used as a supplement to smoothies or other foods. 1 tablespoon of moringa powder contains around 2 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of healthy fats. That's about 10% of the daily value for each macronutrient. Moringa powder is also a good source of micronutrients. 1 tablespoon contains 14% of the daily value for iron, 13% for magnesium, 11% for potassium, and 9% for calcium. It also contains smaller amounts of other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. Moringa powder is thought to have a variety of health benefits. 1 tablespoon contains about 2 milligrams of lutein, zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids that are good for eye health. They help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 1 tablespoon also contains about 4 milligrams of alpha-carotene. Alpha-carotene is another carotenoid that can be converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for vision health, and it also helps to boost the immune system. Moringa powder is a safe and natural way to boost your nutrient intake. However, as with any supplement, it is important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage. Some people may experience side effects such as stomach pain, diarrhea, or constipation. If you experience any negative side effects, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. As you can see, the moringa tree is truly amazing. It has so many health benefits that it is hard to ignore. If you have never tried moringa, I encourage you to do so. You may be surprised at how much you like it, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They deserve to know about this amazing tree as well. Thanks for watching.